Hello guys, my name is Arturo. Welcome to Eating Around Jamaica. Let's go. Okay guys, we're here in the pork pit and I cannot lie you guys. This is the Jamaican food bus right here. And he was the one that made me come to this place. So if he's here on his own guys, you know that place is good.
The place is good. The place is one of my favorite places. Happy to just run into you here and try to experience some good Jamaican food. The best jerk pork, best jerk chicken. Some of the best food that you can taste right here.
You guys heard the man, so I can't wait to eat that food, man. That's the jerk pork right there. And you can see it grilling over the pimento wood. Smoking away guys, and they have all that charcoal at the bottom. I believe those right there might be yams. And we have him over there, he's the pit master, so can't wait to try this. Okay guys, so we already got our food. We got a side of small rice and peas. We got the sweet plantains. We also got a half a chicken. We ordered one sausage. We got the baby back ribs, the spare ribs actually. And we got quarter pork. So let's dig in guys.
And look, happiness, I want to
hey, look who's joined you guys.
How's
I'm talking about the sausage, man.
Nice and snappy.
Nice and snappy.
See the little jerk in there, where the little pepper flakes are in there, so it has a nice little bite, not too hot, but just that right amount of flavor. Just that right amount of flavor. You want me to eat it?
Right, man. Come on, bro.
Okay.
This right here, brother. This is like crack, man.
Yeah,
this stuff
really
is
good.
amazing. And if you dunk it in here, guys, with that pimento sauce, this is the money shot right here.
You like it? This is what I like. That fat, that's all the flavor in there. All of that juice, all of that meat, and it's been slow cooked, so it's rendered down, so it just melts away when you try.
There you go. You guys heard from the legend himself. This guy knows his stuff when it comes to Jamaica.
That's so good.
Now,
See what I'm drinking with it? The right thing. You can't come have jerk and have a red stripe.
that's right. And this right here, guys, my favorite part, the drumstick.
Mine too. Like I'm saying.
Oh my
How is
god.
that?
Guys, I'm so glad we came here right after the airport.
It's straight from the airport.
Yeah,
here?
brother, yeah, we didn't eat.
You're doing it right. You're doing it right.
Yeah,
You're doing
brother,
it right.
yeah. Love it, guys. Listen, I purposely did not eat to come here and eat this, okay? And it was worth every single second I did not eat today.
Glad you enjoyed.
Yeah.
Bless up yourself.
Hey, bless up, brother.
Heart to love,
Respect.
man.
And now, guys, we're gonna try it with the pimento sauce. So good, try it.
This is actually not like tea, but it's Jamaican jerk that name that after it's actually owned by Jamaica. So if you go outside of Jamaica and it says the original Jamaican jerk,
Okay, guys.
Jamaica, the government of Jamaica
Now we're gonna try
has the right to
the rice and beans. Rice and peas, not rice and beans. That's what they call it over here. You want a small order of that?
This one is
They're good.
pretty much how it was done back.
It's a little different than what we used to, guys, when it comes to rice and beans. But it's good. And now we're gonna try the sweet plantain or maduro, like we call it, guys.
They have a lot. We still have a lot of wild pork. So the first thing that we jerk is actually pork. So the jerk pork is the original jerk.
Guys,
And then we run into the hills, catch the hog,
10
and then we
out of 10. This, I gotta come to this spot before we leave again, okay? Cheers.
Once they had seasoned it,
Guys, we also ordered one more thing, which was the ribs. I almost forgot about them because, guys, that jerk pork has me mesmerized. Okay, you don't understand how good this is. And this, This beauty right here, guys. That's the ribs. Oh my god. Guys, that rib just came off the bone. Look. I bit into it and it just came off. I love it. You guys have to come here when you guys come to Jamaica. Okay guys, so that was it for the pork pit. We paid $69 for everything, guys, and I tell you, it might sound a little pricey, but guys, you are not gonna get any more authentic jerk pork. It's like I said, the flavor that's infused in that. It's been slowly roasted with that smoke coming in from the charcoals. There's nothing that can compare. I'll see you on the next stop. Okay guys, so we made it to the town on the grill. This is where we're gonna be staying. We got here last night, but today guys, we came to the legendary place, Sweet Spice. This is one of the places that is known throughout Jamaica for having one of the most authentic and most flavorful oxtail, and we came to try it out. You know, we couldn't pass on this opportunity, so let's get inside and let's go get that. Okay guys, so they brought us the menu. They're really nice. This is a really fancy place. It's a wooden hardcover menu, and inside you guys have the prices. But what I'm here for, guys, and what is recommended is the oxtail, like I said earlier. So I'm gonna get the oxtail, which is 3,500 Jamaican dollars, and if you convert that into US, it's 23.37. I don't know. I might also try the curry goat and see how that goes. Okay guys, the food just arrived. This is a big spread. Everything comes with a side of rice and peas. Let me show you guys. Okay guys, this is the oxtail. It's really brown, which is what you want. Then you have the side of rice and peas. We have the curry goat. Rice and peas too. And then I got the shrimp, the curried shrimp. This looks really good. We're gonna start with the oxtail. Oh my! This stuff melts, guys. This is the oxtail right here, guys. Let's give it a try. Oh my God. Guys, it's got this flavor, this deep flavor that oxtail has. It's kind of gelatinous with this like marinade, that rich jerk, you know, that they use in it, the seasoning. You can tell this stuff is really good, well seasoned, and it's also naturally seasoned. It's not overly salty. Here you go. Another bite. It's amazing, guys, and you chase it with some rice and peas. It's got this nice like little kick to it. It's not spicy by any means, but it does have a nice like peppery flavor. It might be the Scotch bonnets. Really good. Now we gotta try with the rice and peas, guys. Get a little mixed up in there, you know. And here's the bite. That's the bite, guys. Amazing. Guys, I'm gonna have to use my hand for this little nibble right here. You see this? See, this is a clean bone, guys. The whole thing came off. Okay, now guys, we're gonna try the curry goat. See it? It smells like, you know, it has that curry smell to it. The meat seems fairly tender, you know. Let's try it out. Oh my god. It's so tender, guys. It just melts. Guys, it has like, I don't know if it's mustard. I kind of taste a little bit of mustard. No, it's a turmeric. Now, we're gonna mix it up with a little rice and peas. Get some of that juice in there.
So good.
I got some bone in that. Oh, it was great. I got some bone on that bite right there, bro. Off the hook, guys. Try this. Guys, this is the shrimp that Anna ordered. It's a, what is it? It's a curry shrimp. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. There you go. Curry shrimp. It's really good, guys. It's really well seasoned, and the shrimp is not too. It's cooked perfectly. It's not overcooked, but you know when it gets a little rubbery or chewy. Highly recommend, guys. This place off the hook. Okay, guys, we just got done eating, and I'll tell you guys, this place is off the hook. The Oxtail is amazing. The curry goat, guys, is so flavorful. Just be careful if you have white nails, if you're a lady, because Anna did stain her nails. But the grand total came up to 11,800 Jamaican dollars. In US, that was 75 bucks. But they charge you a little extra fee when you pay in US because the conversion money that they have to pay, and it was 82 US. So highly recommend, guys. Guys, so we're near that hotel, and it's on a Saturday night that usually the locals come here, and they have this off the side of the road. They be selling some jerk chicken. They got some soup, and we were just walking down, seeing what they had around. So, but there was one spot that had like fries, like some fried goods, plus some soup and some jerk chicken. So we're going back to see, because Anna kind of want to get like a patty, and we're on our way down. And you can see it's right off the side of the road, guys. It's awesome. Guys, we're gonna get some of that cow skin soup.
Yeah.
500 Jamaican dollars right there, guys. Real good stuff.
Yeah.
Just you can see that piece of skin hanging in there. My man over there digging that goodness in there. And they also have some chicken soup on this side. But I want to try the cow skin. And they have the jerk chicken right here. Oh man. And guys, this is we're gonna go look at the fried stuff that Anna wanted. They have some fried chicken there, plantains, and pastable. There's some Escovitch. Oh yeah. Oh, they have Escovitch, right? Yeah, man. What you wanna get? The fried stuff? Okay. We're gonna get some of the fried stuff, and I kind of want to get some jerk chicken as well, so let's do it. We're gonna get some of that leg right there. Yes, man. Good stuff, huh? Yeah. There you go. awesome, guys. Side of the road, real Jamaican jerk chicken, guys. That's how the locals do it. Thank you, brother. Yes, please. Just putting that sauce in there. Yes, Scotch bonnet, the good stuff, yes. I like spicy. I got a piece of bread, yeah. Thank you, brother. Okay, guys, we made it back to that hotel room, and we have the jerk chicken right here. You guys can see it smoking. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna try the little piece right here. Right here, guys. Oh my God. So good. Guys, it's nice. It has a little smoke to it. It's nice and juicy still, you know. Listen, some locals were pulling up. If the locals were pulling up, yeah, food good. Okay? Jerk chicken. Really good. Now, guys, one of the things that I wanted to try was the cow skin soup. You can see it. It's nice and thick. See, it's nice and thick, guys. Nice and thick like Anna, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Okay. Yes, it is. You can tell it has a lot of collagen in it. It's got some squash as well too, you know, a pumpkin. Also, it has some corn over there, so it kind of does have a little sweetness of the corn in it. But overall, really good soup. It reminds me of a salvi soup that we have. Is called sopa de pata. Now, guys, we have this festival. Okay, guys, this little piece of dough. You know, it's just like a fritter type thing. And they're sweet.
Like fried dough.
It tastes like a little fried dough. I'm gonna wash it off, but you know already what. That red stripe. Stuff is cool. It's really good. Now, guys, we're gonna try the saltfish fritter. Okay, look at that. It does have a fishy taste to it, but it's not a bad fishy taste. It's like a really good subtle fishiness to it. It's good.
But the two things that I like the most is the soup. Hell yeah. I'm a sucker for soup, guys, and today was raining, so it was really nice. And of course, that jerk chicken, guys. That jerk. And guys, the grand total for everything was $25.
Okay, guys. So one of the things that Jamaican seafood is known for is Escovitch, which means it's like the pickle stuff that they put on top of the whatever seafood you have. And right here, guys, we have the day catch. I believe this is a red snapper with the Escovitch pickle onions on top with some. That on top is some beet, and you have the great, the mighty Scotch bonnet. Guys, if you guys know me, I love spicy stuff, so this is one of the things that I really enjoy the most when I come to different places is eating that spicy food. My mouth is already watering, so I'm using my hand, guys. I washed them already, so let's get some of that fish. This bite right here, guys, with that Escovitch. Guys, guys, the pickle onions are so good. They're so crunchy, and it has that, like that little hit from the Scotch bonnet. And the fish is really good. It is a red snapper, guys. It's really moist. It's not too crunchy on the fry part, but it does not lack on flavor. Yeah, you can tell this is really fresh fish, and also they don't season it too much, which is great because it keeps the actual fish taste to it, which I really appreciate on this. Another bite, guys, with that Scotch bonnet right there. Now we're gonna chase it with that red stripe. And to top it all off, guys, this is something I don't usually order, but I felt like ordering. Is the mac and cheese, y'all. All right, let's see how the mac and cheese is. The corner piece right. Ooh, guys, they put a lot of cheese. They don't mess around when it comes to the cheese. Guys, that is really good mac and cheese. And I say that because you can feel the creaminess on the sauce, the cheesiness of it. The pasta is cooked to perfection. One more bite. Here we go, guys. Not the most. Oh, also, Anna's so kind to give us guys a taste of that breaded shrimp. These boys are big. It's a big jumbo shrimp. We're gonna try the shrimp by itself first. Oh my god. Guys, the breading is really crunchy. It's really well seasoned, and also it does have a lot of breading, but the shrimp itself is also pretty big and it's really cooked well. It's not overcooked, that's the worst thing you can do to a shrimp. This is not rubbery at all. It has a nice bite to it. And now we're gonna try it with a tartar sauce. With some of the onions as well. Guys, this place is really good. I thought it was because it was gonna be like a super commercial place. It wasn't gonna be as authentic, but I'll tell you this. 10 out of 10 on the food. Highly recommend. Okay, guys, so the total was $92. That included the 2 beers. I ordered the 2 orders of mac and cheese, the order of fries and the 2 dishes plus 2 waters. It was worth it, guys. So I highly recommend it. So swim by. The food is amazing.
We're not working for
Yeah. Okay, guys. So Anna took a bite of this one, but this one's a beef patty. You can see the inside of it. It's really flaky from the outside. Mmm. The dough, guys, is really good. It's like kind of chewy, but it's not too overwhelming. And then the beef is really well seasoned. That's the beef one. Now, we had the shrimpy one. Guys, these patties are good. Look up the size of my hand. They're big, big patties. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. The shrimp bangers, guys. The same dough. It was really good, well seasoned as well. These, if I'm not mistaken, might be the. This is chicken or soy, guys. It has a little green dot in it. It might be soy. Mm-hmm. No. This, guys, is done. The chicken one, oh my god. The chicken has like this curry sauce with it. It's amazing. And now, wait, this is beef over here. Maybe the first one we tried was soy, guys. We'll see about this one. No, it's a beef one, but it's okay. Guys, we got 4 patties. It was 13.50 Jamaican dollars, which is roughly around $9. So each of them were 300. The beef was 300. The chicken was 300. And the shrimp was 450 Jamaican dollars, and that roughly comes up to like a grand total around 950 for all 4 patties, which is not bad, guys. And they're really good. They're really big. And that's a great way to start your day. Jamaican breakfast, y'all. Okay, guys. So one of the things that we wanted to try really bad when we came here, because we've seen it online and people that have come here told us was to get KFC, y'all. So we got the big 6 meal. It came with 6 pieces of chicken, 2 fries, 2 drinks, and did they give us a coleslaw? And coleslaw, guys. So we're gonna start off with trying the coleslaw. Regular coleslaw, guys. It's a little frozen. Okay. Now, I'm gonna try the fries.
The fries are good.
They're very starchy fries. Anyway. And when I wash it off with that, look at the little bowl, guys. It's so cute. Have the Corona on the other side. It's a grape soda. No ice though. And now I'm gonna try the chicken. Look at this chicken. Wow, guys, this is dumb. Is the original one? It's really juicy, y'all. Like a ketchup. Yeah. I'll tell you guys what. I'll tell you something, guys. The food here is expensive.
every time you go out, you gotta expect to spend at least between $80 to $100 every meal for 2 people. But I don't mind paying that. The food here has been really good. Anywhere we've gone, the food has been amazing. Okay guys, that was it for eating around Jamaica, guys. As you guys can see, the food here is amazing. Even the fast food is pretty good over here. I believe it's because they use the natural ingredients. So if you like the video, please hit me up with a thumbs up and hit me with the subscription button down below. And I'll see you on the next video.